Alrighty folks, just want to give a quick little rundown. My bike has been making some weird noises, and it's been making like a high-pitched noise when you rev it or anything like that. So if you look down here, there is zero slack whatsoever. So that's what I'm guessing that's doing the sound, because it's causing this right here, the chain adjuster, to be too tight, and then it's rubbing across it too hard. But then also it could mean that there is some slack now. Very little, but it needs to be a 1/3, I believe, or a 1/8, something like that. I've seen a couple other videos of people doing that, so yeah, so let's see if that was a problem. Well, alrighty folks, I got everything up to par. I saw this one video, this guy was saying to adjust the clutch cable to about right here, where there's still a little bit of play. Then also I loosened the chain a little bit, and the sound stopped. The sound stopped. I can't believe that. Well, as you guys can see, it stopped. So I'm really proud of it, because I know there's not a lot of videos out there that they show people or even tell people how to stop the noise. But that worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for you guys. Just make sure that you have a little bit of slack. I'll also link the other YouTube video that helped me out figure out this problem. I just put the 2 and 2 together. I was like, maybe chain's really tight and it's making these two come together too close. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and hope this helped you guys out. And if it did, make sure to comment down below. And I know that my bike is all scratched up and dirty and whatnot, and yeah, it doesn't look like all the other Harleys you see on the videos. But yep, this is my baby, this is my Harley. So it's just one thing I was worried about, was it being the compensator, and maybe, just maybe, I tightened the bolt over here a little bit too tight, the one for the clutch, because I watched the other video, the one that I'm about to put in the link. It also helped me, you know, tune it right. So now everything's good. There's a little bit of play, which that's a good sign too. That's what the gentleman was saying on that video. I did check right here, as you saw a little bit ago, to make sure that there was a little bit of slack, so that way it can move freely. And that's what was causing the noise. If I start hearing the noise again, it's probably going to be the compensator this time. But for now, the noise is completely gone. And yeah, so it's pretty good right now. Let's see what happens in the future. You're probably asking why I have a bungee cord, because the little nipple, the one that's back here, it flew off when I was on the freeway, so it caused the spring to just go away. It just fell off. So yeah, that happened, and that's why the bungee cord, because I get that, tie it around, and then I put it back here. So that's how I carry my kickstand everywhere. So thank you for watching the video, and until next time, see ya.